Today we're going to be putting Super Pro bushing into this BA Falcon control blade. First we want to get some grease around the collar and some grease on the actual bushing itself. I started getting that done. No sooner had I started than I got a visit from the shop inspector. Wasn't happy about the state of the workshop, but anyway. So I got back to work, putting the grease on a ring compressor, which is for your piston rings. Thought I'd use that just to make it slide in a bit easier. So I greased around the inside of the piston compression tool, making sure that the lip on the bushing is sitting on the outside, which is the flat side of the blade. Otherwise you'll have trouble lining everything up later. So yeah, tighten up the compression tool for the piston rings, tighten that right around the bushing, set it in place, started working away on the hydraulic press, making sure it was all lined up. And in my case it did actually slip from the compression tool, but that doesn't matter. I just kept going in just to get that first lip in on one side. Then I just took off the compression tool, turn the blade over after you remove the clamp that was holding it down in place. Give it a couple of swift whacks on one side and Bob's your uncle. The bushing just pops into place, wipe off the grease, and you're done. Simple as that.